to Talk of the Town. I'm Robyn Zimmerman, and our guest today is Luana Sellars, and she is the founder of the Lowcountry Gullah Foundation. Good to see you again.
Same here. Thank you so much for having me.
We were just talking that you were here in February.
Yes.
We were talking about the Heritage Library and everything going on with that. But for our viewers that don't know what the foundation, the Gullah Foundation, is all about, you founded it. You obviously felt a need, a real vision for this nonprofit. So tell us about it.
Well, the Lowcountry Gullah Foundation, the primary focus of it is to protect and preserve historic Gullah land. It's the loss of land has been at a critical state. Just to give you an example, at one point before the bridge, there was about 3,500 acres that was Gullah owned. And at the last count, it was about 1,000, and that was several years ago. So it's probably around 700 by now. And so we're trying to hold on to every acre that's left.
And so what has happened to the property? Why is it?
It's a variety of reasons. Heirs property issues is a significant part of why it is being lost. And that's a very complicated situation that needs to be untangled, so to speak. But it's also losing land because of rising taxes. So we also assist families with that. And we try and find solutions so that it's not just a Band-Aid, so that we are actually fixing whatever the problem is to make sure that the land stays in the family for generational wealth.
And so you work directly with those families, and your team ferrets out all of that, really kind of digs deep to help folks.
Yes.
All right, so you have a fundraiser.
Yes.
On May the 12th, which is a Friday. So what is happening with that?
It is our first big fundraiser that we're having. Okay. We're very excited.
But nervous,
a little nervous, but very excited. Okay. It's called Sankofa Nights, and a Sankofa is an African proverb which means going back to the past to improve the future. And so it will be a night with a nationally known Gullah storyteller, Pat Gunn. She is coming to share her stories and her wisdom and the culture and talk about the food. So people will be able to come and learn something, learn a few Gullah words, and really get a deep dive into the culture. So it's really going to be a great event.
And that's going to be at USCB, the Hilton Head campus.
Yes.
At 6 o'clock.
Yes.
And is it in that is it going to be in the large auditorium,
yes,
which is a beautiful space? I love that space.
The entry, the lobby.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yes. Fabulous.
Yes.
So you have the storyteller and anything? Will there be like drinks and food and?
It's dinner. It's a complete dinner.
Oh.
And we will be having Southern food is the menu, and we're also having a silent auction, which I'm really excited about. We have a lot of Gullah art that will be on sale for people to bid on, as well as we've had a lot of great sponsors, weekends at the Westin, at the Sinesta, season tickets to the Art Center, Surge Restaurant Group. We have a lot of amazing Burnt Church Distillery, a lot of amazing silent auction items to share. So really, really excited.
So this is, again, your first fundraiser. And so you're hoping to really, what is the target audience, Luana? Who do you hope to be there?
Anybody. Anybody can come. It will be an evening that anyone who is interested in the culture or wants to support the culture, that they would enjoy it. It's going to be engaging and fun, as well as educational. And so anyone who is into Gullah culture will be happy that they came.
So you better be there, right?
Yes, absolutely.
It's going to be on Friday, May the 12th at 6 o'clock at USCB.
Yes.
Luana Sellars, thank you so much for being
with us.
Thank you so much.
I appreciate it.
I know it'll be a great event.
It will. Thank you so much.